Okay, I want to show you this curry salad I'm making. Do you see the cauliflower? I ran it through my food processor. And I keep checking it until I have it right size. That looks good. Kind of like rice. I'm gonna put this in here. So it was a big head, and I did almost the whole head. And right here, I have chopped up one large carrot. Have you ever used one of these? These are nice to pick up everything. So a carrot, I could have done it even smaller, but I didn't. And then I'm gonna do about 1/4 cup of onion, and then about 2 to 3 cups of broccoli, chopped really small. See, some of these pieces are too big. And then I'm gonna make the dressing. Okay, the dressing, I have here 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice that I just squeezed myself, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of organic onion powder, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon, a little bit more of turmeric. My curry powder had turmeric in it too, so I'm just add a little bit more. And about 1/8 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. And this is gonna be my dressing for this salad. See how it gets real thick? And now I'm just gonna mix this up real good. I'm gonna add some raisins to this too. Just kind of just throw it together how you want. I have organic raisins, just a couple handfuls, and just mix it up real good and let it marinate. And then it's ready. Curry cauliflower salad, yummy. Okay, enjoy your evening, bye-bye. I want to show you something. I made this salad yesterday. This is a cauliflower curry salad with carrots and broccoli, a little bit of onion, red onion, and raisins with a curry dressing over it. Really easy, very easy. So I had this left, and I wanted to make something real easy for lunch. I could have just had the salad on a bed of greens, but I made these rolls with collard leaves. So I put some hummus in them. I just have some store-bought hummus here that I bought at Costco. This isn't my favorite one, but it's organic, and I just had that. And I took in the wraps. I grated some carrot, and then I had some bell pepper, red bell pepper, and then I had avocado. And then I put layers of all that in my wraps and wrapped them up. And then what's really good I put in the salad is some pad thai. I've given that recipe. If you look back on the photos, you'll see the recipe for the pad thai. I use it all different ways, water it down, and then I added it to my curry dressing when I made the wraps. And I actually, for my husband and the kids, I made a bed of greens with that cauliflower curry salad on top, and then I drizzled the pad thai over it. It was very good. So there's just all different ways you can make this stuff. You just look in the refrigerator and look what you have. And you don't have to use collard greens for wraps. Those are just easy. And another thing, you could just, you could put them in romaine lettuce boats. That would be really good. Sprouts would be really good on them. I need some more sprouts. I need to cook or grow some more. Could put it in tortillas. And there's even rice tortillas that are really good, gluten-free rice tortillas. Or you could just use regular tortillas if you can still have the gluten. Just an idea of what you can do with what's in your refrigerator. And it's nice live food, all organic, raw. Have a good day, you guys. Bye-bye.